Hello friends, now according to this expression we use BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, solve the orders, exponent. Before we can solve the operation, inside the sum of the brackets, we must evaluate the powers and indices. First, there is a 3 square is equals to 9 and there is a 5 square is equals to 25. And according to this, the result becomes 36 divided by 6 and after plus curly braces 8 multiply by 2 plus 9 curly braces off and then minus 25 divided by 5. Now move to the second step, solve the small brackets, parentheses. Now we focus on the innermost operations grouped by the round figures. As you can see the round figures and the round brackets. You can say 36 divided by 6 and the second one is 2 plus 9 and the third one is 25 divided by 5. And after calculating of it we'll get 6. After calculating of this we get 11 and after calculating of this we'll get 5. So now the current expression becomes square bracket 6 plus curly braces 8 multiplied by 11 and after minus 5. Now the third step, solve the curly braces. Next we move to the next layer of grouping. Multiply the numbers inside the curly braces. Now 8 multiplied by 11 is equals to 88. And now the current expression becomes 6 plus 88 minus 5. Now move to the step 4, solve the square brackets. Finish the operation inside the final set of brackets. Add the number inside the square bracket which is 6 plus 88 is equals to 94 and the current expression becomes 94 minus 5. Now finally we subtract the remaining operation outside the brackets. So 94 minus 5 is equals to 89 which is the final result. Expression, the conclusions is by following the hierarchy of the operation starting from the innermost brackets and exponents and working outward. The final value of the expression is 89 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.